A pleasant afternoon to each and every one of us. We would like to welcome you all to this beautiful venue, the Avenue of the Arts Residences, as we gather to witness the union of Zyla May Domingo and John Windel Venco. Today is indeed a special day, one filled with love, commitment, and the beginning of a lifelong journey together. We are here not only to celebrate their love, but also to honor the people who have supported them along the way. Without further ado, we shall now witness the entourage of the bride and the groom, their parents, principal sponsors, and our wedding officiant.
I see beautiful days with you. I feel beautiful ways of loving you. You touch my heart so deeply, and I can't thank God enough for all the beautiful days with you. I feel beautiful ways of you. Everything is just so wonderful. Every little thing is just so beautiful when I spend it with you. You came along in an unexpected time.
Okay. And before we start the ceremony, I would like to request every one of us to stand. So we will just have a short invocation for this very special occasion, and let us invoke the presence of our Heavenly Father. Heavenly Father, we gather here today together because you have promised that wherever three or more are gathered in your name, you will be in the midst of them. We ask for your presence here as we join Sila May and John Windel in marriage. We ask your blessings over this ceremony as Sila May and John Windel make their vows to each other. Stand by them throughout their marriage and fill them with your perfect love so that they may grow in their love for you and for each other throughout their marriage and their lives. In Jesus' name we pray these things. Amen. So you may be seated. We would like, or I would like to make this as brief as possible kasi nakita ko yung certificate of marriage kanina, yung solemnization, nakalagay 5 p.m. And it's already a few minutes way past 5 p.m. Uh, thank you. So, to be true to the recitals in the certificate of marriage, tsaka nakikita ko sa mga mukha ng dalawang gwapo at saka magandang ikakasal. Gustong-gusto na nilang matapos eh. I have a vantage point here na nakikita ko yung smiles sa kanilang mga, nakatalikod kasi sila sa inyo, pero from their faces nakikita ko yung bliss, joy, and happiness na talagang gusto na nilang isettle itong issue na ito. Okay. So, walang RA, ano? Walang RA. Okay. But you have your, sabi mo, you have your, okay. So, Sila May and John Windel, today you confirm your love with an eternal bond before the law. And I assure you that the law of the community is ready to pour out its abundant blessings on your love and help you to carry out the duties of the married state. And also, I would like to address this to the people, the relatives, the friends who are here present. Dear brothers and sisters, may I ask you to help them with your prayers and accept them as a new couple in our community. Now I understand the new couple has prepared their own personal vows of marriage, which they wish to pronounce before this gathering to each other. Okay, I would like to request, unahin na natin yung groom, si Windel dyan, to have his opportunity to declare before Sila May his vow of marriage.
Miss Sila May Castillo Domingo, my forever babe. At last, ito na tayo. Binigay na ni Lord ang isa sa marami nating pinapangarap. In His timing, on our own timeline. Maraming taon ang lumipas. 16 na taon nang simulan natin ang ating paglalakbay ng magkasama. Maraming away-bati. Maraming try again. And here we are. Saksi ang langit sa lahat ng hindi pagkakaintindihan, mga luha at sakit na napagdaanan natin. Pero andito pa rin tayo. Magkasama, matatag, at patuloy na pinipili ang isa't isa. Ngayon, I vow to continue love you not only in the best of times, but in every challenge that comes our way. I promise to support you in everything you do, even when the world feels heavy. I will laugh with you in your happiest moments and hold you tight in your hardest ones. I commit myself to you to understand and protect you always. To stand by your side through good times and bad. I will share in your pain and carry your burdens when you feel weak. I promise to be forever honest. No secrets, no lies. Hindi ko sasayangin ang huling tiwala at pagmamahal na palagi mong binibigay sa akin. I will always be your partner, your best friend, and your biggest fan. I vow to keep loving you as much as I love you today, no matter how many years may pass. Ikaw ang tahanan ko, at simula ngayon hanggang dulo, ako ang magiging tahanan mo. Mahal na mahal kita, Mrs. Sila May Castillo Domingo Venco.
So, we just heard a tear-jerker vow from the groom. Prepare yourselves for a more emotionally packed, I'm sure, mas Emotional ito. Let's hear from the beautiful bride, Silame.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Feeling ko kinopya niya yung vow ko. Hi, babe. It's been 16 years since we started writing our love story. Over the years, we'd had our ups and downs. There were times when I almost walked away from our relationship, but you never let go. Thank you so much for not giving up on me, for not giving up on us, kasi nandito na tayo ngayon. As we begin this new chapter, I promise that I will never give up on us. From now on, I will make you and our marriage my priority. Pangako na lagi mo akong kakampi, kahit na palagi kitang inaaway. Lagi mong tandaan, I'll always be here for you no matter what life brings. I'll support you in everything you'll do, and I'll stay faithful and loyal to you, always. You're not just the love of my life, you are my home, my future, and my greatest adventure. I promise to protect and pursue the dreams we share. I vow to grow with you, laugh with you, and walk beside you through every chapter life unfolds. Pangako, mula ngayon, ikaw ang palagi kong pipiliin hanggang sa huling sandaling ibibigay sa atin ng Diyos. I love you so much.
So with all of that having been said from the groom, from the bride, we can now proceed to the ceremony proper. Silame, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband, John Windel?
Yes, Your Honor.
And John Windel, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife? Silame?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mas may conviction yung And are you ready to raise as good citizens of the country the children whom you may beget?
Yes, we
Yes,
do.
sir.
Now we go to the si Windel muna. So repeat after me, Windel. As you put the ring on the finger of Silame. Silame,
Zyla May,
wear this ring
wear this ring
as a sign of my love and loyalty,
as a sign of my love and loyalty,
fidelity, and faithfulness.
fidelity, and faithfulness.
John Windel,
John Windel,
wear this ring
wear this ring
as a sign of my love and loyalty,
as a sign of my love and loyalty,
fidelity, and faithfulness.
fidelity, and faithfulness.
So, John Windel and Silame, since you wish to contract marriage, please join your hands together and express your intention before me. So, Silame, do you take John Windel here present for your lawful husband according to the rights of the law of the Philippines?
I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Then, John Windel, do you take Silame here present for your lawful wife according to the rights of the law of the Philippines?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
So, please join your hands together and repeat after me. Grant us, O Lord,
Grant us, O Lord,
to be one heart and one soul
to be one heart and one soul
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
For better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
until death do us part.
until death do us part.
This is the point where the solemnizing officer usually calls for anyone who wishes to oppose. May tumututol ba? No objection. Someone seconding the no objection manifestation? So, you speak up now or forever be barred. So, there being none, by virtue of the powers and authority vested in me by law as Regional Trial Court Judge of Manila, I hereby pronounce John Windel, Venko, and Sila May Domingo as husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride.
Pak na may kasama ang sigawan. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to acknowledge all the guests right here came all the way from different parts of the metro, the region, the world, and the universe rather. Thank you so much for being here at the very reception of Windel and Zyla. Ladies and gentlemen, before I begin the program proper, nais ka munang batiin ninyo ang bawat isa sa inyong table. Sabihan mo naman yung katabi mo ngayon, ang gwapo mo, ang ganda mo. Go! Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to acknowledge the two beautiful family clans na nagbuo ng wedding reception. And of course, I'd like to acknowledge a group of people na nanarito po ngayon at present kay sa wedding ni Zyla at saka ni Windel. All you have to do, pag narinig mo pa ang grupo ninyo, kailangan magngay, magwala, bahala po kayo. Okay? So ang pinakamaingay na grupo ang siyang unang papakainin mamaya. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to hear the scream and shout coming first from the Domingo family. Mapalpalit ang microphone. Kung mapali ako dito. Okay na, okay na, okay na. How about Benko family? Mukhang mas gutom na ang Benko. I would like to acknowledge also we have here Benko family from Nueva Ecija. Galing ang layo, Nueva Ecija. Palakpa. Asan po sila? Mag-ingay nga kayo mga taga Nueva Ecija. Oo. Domingo family, Nueva Ecija din. Napakalalayo. Friends of the bride from RTC 176 and 30. Mag-ingay! Sila din. Wow, hello po. I would like to acknowledge also friends of the groom from Nueva Ecija. Ba't parang humina bating sa friends of the groom? Friends of the bride. Sila. Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, before anything else, I'd like first to introduce myself. My name is Maria Micaela Angela Yesaida Bonso Cruzada Santillanes. Wow! I am half Filipina, half Filipino. You can call me in short, Rec. Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, today is the big day of Windel and Zyla. Say yes if tama ako. Everybody? Today is the big day of the newlywed couple. Ladies and gentlemen, today, I'll be implementing an important policy by this time. And this policy is what I call the No, Eat, and Run policy. Lahat po nang aalis mamaya right after kumain. Ay, wag niyo akong susubukan. Hindi. You will be fined 10,000 pesos. Opo, at papasok po ito sa pera ng bagong kasal. And of course, please help our Windel and Zyla to upload your photos. Meron po tayong mga QR codes na nilagay kagaya nito sa inyong mga tables. So kailangan nyo i-scan lang po sa inyong phones. Yung mga kinuhanan yung photos and videos today, you can share with Zyla and Windel by using the QR code. Ayan, don't worry, hindi pa to bank transfer, ha? Hindi. Ano lang to, for the pangkalap lang ng mga photos nila and videos. Ladies and gentlemen, alam nyo ba, during our meeting, si Windel tsaka si Zyla, mamimigay po sila ngayon ng round trip tickets. Parang walang masaya. Kumalakpak naman kayo. Hindi lang isa yung ibibigay nila, kundi dalawang round trip tickets. Mamaya po, 7! One table, one representative each. Come on, guys, stand up. Dalian nyo. Dalian nyo. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pa lang to. 7 yung table natin. Kailangan 7 kayo. Meron na. Dito sa unahan, wala pa. Wala pa dito. Ma'am, ikaw na, ma'am. Ma'am. Madam, ikaw na. Halika na. Dalian nyo. Huwag ka na magpapilit. Halika ni Liz. Sumama ka na. So we have 2, 6, and 7. Okay. So 7 players. Ladies and gentlemen, before I start the priming game, nais ko munang palakpakan ninyo lahat ng ating representative. Yes, bakit kailangan silang palakpakan? Dahil sila ang mag-aangat sa table nyo ngayong gabi kung kayo ang unang kakain na table or huling table na kakain. So players, welcome to the Hunger Game. Okay, sir! Bumalik ka, sir. Magpapaliwanag pa ako. Okay, the title of this game is what I call the Guess and Dance the Tune Challenge. Okay, from the title itself, players, you have to know first the title of the song that we're about to play. Kung tama or tumpak, sasayaw kayo together with me. Ganun lang kadali. Plus, ililista namin kayo as unang kakain ngayong gabi. Okay, and so on. So mahuli, good luck. So players, are you ready? Yes. Sumigaw, ano sabi? No daw, no. Lakas. Oh, are you ready? Sumbay kayo. Ulit. Are you ready? Yes! Pag alam ang sagot sa titulo ng song na patutugtugin, kailangan tumakbo sa assistant na si Mama Apple. Aagawin ang mikropono sa kanya. Kapag may nakaagaw na ng microphone, bawal nang agawin sa kanya dahil ayaw na ayaw ko sa lahat yung taong mga agaw. Okay, so players, if you're ready, this is Guess the Tune number 1. YMCA, anong pangalan po? Grace. Ma'am Grace, halika. Ang totoong tanong, sino ang composer ng YMCA? Joke lang. Ma'am Grace, anong table number mo? Table number 4, palakpakan niyo si Ma'am Grace. Una kayong kakain. Pero bago yung sasayaw tayo, Ma'am Grace, gagayahin mo ako. YMCA, syempre. Okay, ready, DJ Music? It's fun to stay at the palakpakan niyo naman, Ma'am Grace. Thank you for joining. Maaari ka na maupo at bumalik sa iyong table. Ganun lang kadali. That's the tune number 2. Napakadali ng title na yan. Up, hindi nila alam. Ay, alam mo. Sige, takbo. Magbibigay sana ako ng clue eh. Title. Papaya. Hinog o hilaw? Charot lang. Hindi. Walang ganun. Anong pangalan? Raymond. Anong table number ni Raymond? Table 3. Palakpakan niyo naman si Raymond. Kita mo naman, gitnang table mga nauna. Sasayaw tayo, Raymond. Ready, DJ? Palakpakan niyo naman si Raymond. Thank you for joining, Raymond. 5 na lang. Sir, dito ka! Okay, guess the tune number 3. Spaghetti. Ano ang gulo mo? Spaghetti. Oh, that is correct. Tama naman yun. Nalik ka. What's your name?
Axel po.
Axel, anong table number ni Axel? Table 7! Make some noise! Axel, gagayay mo ko ha. Okay, ready? DJ music!
Simulan natin, ha? Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Appear tayo, sumakit ang ulo ko, sumakit ang bewang ko. Sex bomb, sex bomb, sex bomb.
Oh, tuloy-tuloy lang, ha?
Appear tayo, sumakit ang dibdib ko, sumakit ang tuhod ko. Sex bomb, sex bomb, sex bomb.
Ready, chorus!
Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pataas, pataas na
Palakpakan niyo si Axel. Thank you for joining, Axel. Thank you. 4 na lang. Para ito natitira para wala mga alam to sa music. Oo, guess the tune, number 4. Madali lang yan. Kantayan ni Sai. Go!
Gundam.
Ano po?
Gundam style.
Gangnam Style. That is wrong! Still! Mali ang Gangnam.
Gentleman.
Gentleman, that is correct. What's your name, sir?
Josh po.
Josh. Oh my God, ang laki na ni Josh. Josh, anong table number mo? Table 6 pa lang po kayo naman si Josh. Josh, we're going to dance. Gagayahin mo ako. Ready?
I'm a motherfucker gentleman. Motherfucker gentleman.
Palakpak kayo naman si Josh. Thank you for joining. 3 na lang. Yes, that's you. Number 5.
I still love you, baby. And you'll never change. 사랑해.
I want nobody, nobody but you.
Oh, alam ni sir. Alam niya.
Nobody.
Nobody, that is correct. What's your name, sir?
Fernan.
Ano ba?
Fernan.
Fernan. Anong table number ni Fernan? Table 2, palakpakan niyo naman si Fernan. Fernan, sasayaw tayo. Gagayahin mo ako, ha? Ready, DJ, music?
I want nobody, nobody but you. I want nobody, nobody but you. How can I be with another? I don't want any other. I want nobody, 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 nobody.
Fernan, ihataw mo! Thank you so much, Fernan. 2 na lang. Sir, ilang taon na po kayo? 40, bata pa, 47. Sorry ka, kayo po, ilang taon na kayo, sir? 47. Mukhang ano kayo, sir? Judge ba kayo? Judge ba kayo? Attorney? Dito ka, sir. Kasi magkasalaki kayo ng siya ni Judge, eh. Oo. Oh, sir. Mo, medyo, hindi to mga bagets, ha? Medyo may edad ng konti. Okay, guess the tune number 6.
Spaghetti.
Tapos na yung spaghetti. Mali yun, mali. Sa may entry ka, sir. Oh, hindi nila alam. Hindi. Sir, dito ka lang. Hindi nila alam yan, Mo. Huwag mo bigyan ng bago. Yung luma ng konti. Ano yan? Title niyan is? Anong 8-8? 8-8 ba yan, Mo? Sayang, oh. Ma'am, ikaw nakasagot. Alika, gusto mo magsayaw? Okay, guess the tune. Number 7. Nakamadali yan. Ano to? 90s ata to sumikat eh. 90s, mga ganyan. Ang title, sir?
Aserey.
Aserehey. Wow, social. Aserehey. Oo, Aserehey lang. Aserehey lang yon. Aserehey. Anong pangalan, sir?
Joel.
Joe M. Ang table naman, Sir Joe M. Table 1, palakpakan niyo, Sir Joe M. Sasayaw tayo, sir, ha? Nagayahin mo. Parang sumasabay kay Jollibee. Thank you so much. Last na. Sir, anong pangalan?
Joel.
Joel. Anong table number, Sir Joel?
Number 5.
Number 5. Number 5 kayo. Walang pumalakpak sa kanila, oh. Kasi huli daw po kasi ngayon kakain. Ano? Huli man magaling. Eto sir, papahulaan ko sa'yo, napakadali ng music na to. Hindi, eto. 47 ka, sabi mo kayo di ba? 40 lang ako, naabutan ko pa to. Bata pa lang ako itong song na to. Cartoons na to or anime na to. DJ, music.
Voltes 5.
Ano title?
Voltes 5.
Yun lang. Voltes 5, that is wrong. That's the opening theme song of the anime itself, what we call the Voltes 5. Pero hindi yun yung titulo ng song na yan. Tama ba? Hindi yan yun. Pero everybody, shall we accept Voltes 5? Pwede na bang Voltes 5? Pwede na daw, Sir Joey. Sir, sasayaw tayo, kagaya mo ako Okay, DJ! DJ music out lang. Okay, dahil sa Voltes 5, 5 sila doon. Kailangan bigay po yung pangalan ng 5 bida. So, sino-sino po sila, sir? Kailangan, kasama yung, surname nila. Full name po. Full name yung kailangan. So, 3 yung Armstrong yung apelido doon. Sino po sila?
Kilala kong Armstrong, si Lance Armstrong.
Wala na po yun si Lance. Nasa Mobile Legends na po siya. Charot lang. Hindi, joke lang. Nasa Mobile Legends. Okay. Sasayaw tayo, gagayahin mo ako. Table number 5, maaari ba kayo magsitayo sa inyong table? Diyan lang kayo tatayo sa inyong place. Come on, tayo. Tayo. Aantayin nyo ang pagdating ni Sir Joey po. Okay, Sir Joey, kamay sa likod, sir. Masikip yung venue natin eh. Okay. Sir, ay, tayo! Sir Joey, pasok ka. Okay, sige. Samahan mo sila. Sir, tayo po, tayo. Point your finger like this, everyone. Come on, point your finger. Sige po, doon tayo, doon sa harapan. Okay, ready? Let's vault in! Palakpakan po natin our last table. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, before anything else, like to acknowledge right here the true hosts of this event. Without them, hindi po mabubuo ang kasalang Windel at Syla. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you the beautiful parents of the newlywed couple. Let's start with the parents of the groom. We have here Mr. and Mrs. Erwin and Delia Benko. Palakpakan po natin. Asan sila? Ma'am, sir, come on. Join us right here in front. Palakpakan niyo naman the parents of the groom. Congratulations po. Maraming. And Mrs. Lindon and Yolanda Domingo. Hi, sister pala nasa virtual lang siya. Hi, sir. Ay, nasa kabila pala. Dapat dito ako. Hi, sir. Sir, size 44 po, US. Sarap na. Nangisapatos. Ayan. Thank you so much po. Ladies and gentlemen, now naman, I would like to acknowledge all our principal sponsors. Kapag narinig nyo, pahigwata. Wala. Moving on with Honorable Clyde Aswal.
Do that conga, no, you can't control yourself. Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga, no, you can't control yourself any longer. Feel the rhythm of the music getting stronger. Don't you fight it till you try to do that conga beat.
Palakpak, thank you so much po. Moving on with Architect Jesus Flora. Congratulations, Architect. Moving on with beautiful, we have here Mr. Arvin Rimokal. Arvin Rimokal, wala siya. Moving on with beautiful Nina, Mrs. Purita Garcia. Mrs. Purita Garcia.
Olho as pequenas, mas daquele jeito tem muita
Palakpak. Thank you so much po. Moving on with Mrs. Sheila Romano. Wala siya. We have here Honorable Lucia Purunganan. Congratulations po, ma'am. Maraming salamat. And of course, we have our last and final beautiful ninang Honorable Leonora Lau Villarante. Ay! Iba. Panagusumba si Madam talaga. Congratulations po. Ayan, ladies and gentlemen, also like to acknowledge our wedding officiant po. Kanina we have Honorable Clyde Suwal. Maraming salamat po for officiating the wedding ceremony of Zyla and Windell. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time and I'd like to introduce to you the very reason why we all gathered here this night. So I'd like to request everyone to please do stand up. Magsitayo po ang lahat to give way for the grand entrance of the newlywed couple. I'd like to request everyone to please pull out your smartphones, your iPhones, or your Android phones. Bubuksan po natin lahat ng flashlight natin sa inyong phone. Sige po, buksan po lahat ng flashlight natin. We are going to wave the flashlight up high. And don't stop screaming and shouting while our couple entering this hall. Once again, can you hear the sample of scream and shout na may kasama kayo ng flashlight? Ready in 3, 2, 1, and... Ladies and gentlemen, as her first public appearance as husband and wife, let's give it up with the newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Windell and Zyla. Thank God!
Don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I see you holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny.
Everybody scream! Ladies and gentlemen, when I shout happy, you all shout marriage. Happy! When I shout best, you all shout wishes. Best! Sa Tagalog, batiin natin sila. Mabuhay ang... Palakpak natin once again. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Up! Wait, there's more. Please remain standing. So, before anything else, congratulations sa iyo, Windell, for bagging home the first prize of your life. And oh my God, Zyla, you're so beautiful. Saan she? Wala sumagot, grabe sila, oh. Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, ready your camcorder as we do the most Instagrammable kiss of this night, what I called the 10 seconds kiss. So harap pa kayong dalawa. Nag-practice ba kayo? Hindi, harap pa kayong dalawa. Pag sinabi kong 3, 2, 1, ha? Taas baba, kanang kaliwa, bahala ka na. 10 seconds to, ha? Okay, bibilang mo tayo. 10 bababa yung bilang pero hindi mabilis. Prolong. O paano yung prolong? Sabay-sabay tayo. 10 bababa. Ready? And 10. Ganon yung bilang. Okay, ready to witness the 10 seconds kiss in 3, 2, 1, kiss. Count.
Settle down with me.
Tasty.
Cover me up.
Sweet.
Cuddle me in.
Divine.
Lie down with me.
Delicious.
Palakpakan natin, mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Zyla, Windell, doon kayo sa may gitnang part na yon. Ayan, ladies and gentlemen, this is how...
For all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I found in you, I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who held me up, never let me fall. You're the one who saw me through it all. You were my strength. dark, shining your love into my life. You've been my inspiration through the lies you weren't true. My world is a better place because of you. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my strength. Voice when I couldn't speak. When I couldn't speak. You saw the best there was in me. You gave me faith. Yes, you believed I'm everything I am because you love me. My love, you saw the best there was in me. Believed I'm everything I am because you love me. Oh, I'm everything I am because you loved me.
Lying here with you, listening to the rain, smiling just to see the smile upon your face. And these are the moments I thank God that I'm alive. And these are the moments I remember all my life. I found all I've waited for, and I could not ask for more. Looking in your eyes, seeing all I need. Everything you are is everything to me. These are the moments I know heaven must exist. And these are the moments I know all I need is this. I have all I've waited for, yeah. And I could not ask for more. I could not ask for more than this time together. I've died. And I know there's no way out, 'cause it's once in a lifetime. It's not like I'm running out of time.
Ayan, meron po bang mahabol?
You're taking everything in stride. It's just I never thought I'd find what would make me change my mind.
Meron pa po bang hahabol sa ating prosperity money? Meron pa po bang hahabol? Going once? Going twice? Wala nang hahabol. So yun. Ladies and gentlemen, in behalf of Windell and Zyla, sa lahat po nagpaabot ng kailang prosperity money, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Nawa ay pagpalain po tayo ng poong may kapal. Palakpakan niyo po muli yung mga sarili. Thank you so much. Once again, palakpakan niyo po muli yung mga sarili. Ayan. And now, ladies and last and final tradition this night. And after po ng tradition na to, kakain na po tayong lahat. Lahat ng gutom na, pumalakpak, may kasamang sigawan. Parang wala nagutom eh, no? So this is the cake and wine toasting ceremony of the couple. So I would like to ask assistant from our caterer. Lalabas ba natin yan? Malalabas? Kaya? Pasuyo ako. James, pasuyo din ako ng wine, hindi pa siya bukas. Kaya naman, kaya. Kaya, mailalabas natin. Very good. Ayan, the couple now may do another Instagrammable part of the program is the slicing of the cake. Parehas edible to. Okay, baka may hiwa tayong hiwa. Styro pala yung hiwa natin eh. Once again, the couple na may do another Instagrammable part of the program is the slicing of the cake. And according to Google and Wikipedia, cake symbolizes fertility for the bride. Since Romance times, ang cake po ay kinakrampled sa head ng bride at itinatakbo ng group palabas ng venue upang makahingi agad ng biyaya na may kapal. If you know what I mean, paki-Google na lang po. Sa lahat na makakain or makakatikim ng wedding cake na ito ay may dalang good luck para sa ating lahat at pwede kayong yumaman according to the Feng Shui Master. So mamaya dito tayo lahat, pipila na tayo. Kasi yayaman daw tayong lahat pag kumain tayo. May nakuha na sila. Okay, thank you so much. Kuya, pa-side ako ulit ng cake. Kahit yan na lang kuya sa side. Okay. Windel, hawakan mo ang cake. Ladies and gentlemen, ang cake na to ay sumisimbolo po sa katamisan. Siyempre matamis talaga ang cake. Wala bang cake na hindi matamis. And of course, sticking together because of the flour na ginamit. Pero ang totoong simbolo ng cake na to ay love or pagmamahalan. So kung gaano ro kalaki yung isusubo mo sa asawa mo, yun daw yung katumbas ng love mo para sa kanya. So, sabi ni Windel, kulang daw to. Windel, ngayon na ipakita mo sa amin gaano mo kamahal si Zyla. Ay, ang laki. Ang laki ng love. Okay. And kiss. Still did the kiss. Kiss. Palakpakan natin pagmamahal ni Windel para kay Zyla. Ngayon naman, Zyla, pakita mo sa amin gaano mo kamahal ang iyong asawang si Windel. And kiss. Kiss. Ayan, water muna kayo. Yes, I do. How sweet it is to be loved by you. Feel so fine. How sweet it is to be. Okay, and now it is the wine toasting ceremony of the couple. Okay, so ang wine na ito ay parang kayong dalawa, Zyla and Windel. Sabi nila, ang alak habang tumatagal, habang nagkakaedad, lalong sumasarap. May sumigaw dito, sumasarap eh. Mas masarap pa yan sa magic sarap. Okay, ready to show us the infinity sign of their loved one. Infinity, naka-cross arm. Tingin sa camera. Ayan, and bottoms up. Bottoms up. Sabi, mataas ba yung tagay? Hindi naman. And kiss. Kiss. Palakpakan natin the wine toasting ceremony of the couple. Thank you so much po. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to request each and everyone to please do stand up. Magsitayo po ang lahat to give way for a Thanksgiving prayer before gracing our meals. Magsitayo po ang lahat. Sabi nila kumakanta ka daw.
Ka lang na mga yan.
Okay. Ay, hindi pala siya. Zyla, totoo, hindi siya kumakanta. Sumasayaw. O, sample daw ng sayaw. Anong gusto mo? Anong gusto? O, tugtog mo yung jumbo hotdog. Babigyan natin to jumbo hotdog. Girl version. Ayan na, ayan na. Go, Mira. Mira!
Если головкам здрав не запретит. Симпл-тимпл. Симпл-тимпл.
Tumitiktok ka, ha? Okay. So, Mira, ang tanong. Bakit maaga kang namatay sa Encantadia? Charot lang. Charot lang, charot. Mira, ay iba pala yun, iba pala yun. Ang tanong, Mira. How long were the couple together before they got engaged? Wala, ang taas nun. 14 years. Kaya yung sabi niya 16. Buti binabaan, no? 14 na lang. 14! Syla? That is correct. Congratulations. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the second Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ayun ako pala eh. Happy birthday to you. Sarah, halika sa... Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Nag-aalak. Oo, wait lang. Si Mira, tinatawagan ko si Mira. Mira! Mira, halika. Mira! Halika na. Pag tinatawag, tatayo. Mira, halika. Ay! This is your time to shine. May message ka raw para sa kanya.
Ikaw nga ba si Mr.
Ano pa?
Best wishes.
Magkakilala na ba kayo? Magkakilala na kayo? Hindi pa? So, Mira, pinapakilala ko sa'yo. Ang pangalan ulit? Only 3, ganon. Only. Mira, I would like you to meet Only. Shake hands naman kayo. Ito na ba, Arthur? Ayaw mag-ano. Congratulations. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ha? Congratulations. Alam mo, kakasal silang dalawa, di ba? So, ilang taong ka na ngayon? Tataya ako sa loto kasi bukas eh. Ayan, thank you so much. Happy birthday. 33 years old. Ang bata pa niya. So, andito of the groom, Mr. and Mrs. Erwin and Delia Benko. Ma'am, sir? Where are they? Si Daddy kanina nag-ano siya eh. Naguhubad na ng coat niya na inito na ata. Daddy! Asa si Mother? Ay, ito si Mother pala. Si Daddy nasaan? Si Daddy pasundo. Mamaya na mag-yossi break.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Congrats sa inyong dalawa anak. Maraming salamat, May, at sa pangunawa mo kay Windel. Sana ang una sa lahat yung pangunawa sa isa't isa. At sana wag kayong, kung may problema man kayo, wag niyong paabutin ng isang araw na hindi kayo magbabate. Maraming salamat din, Windel. Maraming salamat. Higit sa lahat, sana bigyan nyo na rin kami ng apo. Habang kaya pa naming mag-alaga. Maraming salamat po. Yun lang.
Daddy, may gusto po kayong sasabihin sa kanila. Sige po. Mag-wish po kayo ng... Live po tayo, sir. Live po tayo. Ilan po? Ilan pong apo ang gusto niyo, sir? Sige po.
Bahala na sila.
Bahala. Sky's the limit. Ganon. Palakpakan natin the parents of the groom. Ma'am, sir. Wait lang. Ma! Sir! Balik po, balik. Picture tayo together with the couple. Ayan. Sa panahon po kasi ngayon, mas mahalaga po ang pictures kaysa sa titulo ng bahay. Sige po. Ready? 1, 2, ready? Ready? 1, 2, ready? Thank you so much po. Moving on with the beautiful mother of the bride, Mrs. Yolanda Domingo.
Windel, after how many years? Eto na, lagi ka nagsusumbong sa akin mo. Nakikipag-break na si May. Alam mo ba, anak, 2 times siya nagpaalam na magpo-propose. Hindi mo alam yon. Unang paalam niya March 8, 2020. Biglang nag-COVID. Nagpandemya. Pagka sumusuko ka na, chat na sa akin si Windel. Tita, iyak na si Windel. Sabi ko, sige lang, tiisin mo lang, tsagain mo, May. Alam ko, Windel, alam ko hindi mo pababayaan si May. Ilang taon na, 16 years, kilala ka na namin, huwag kang magbabago. Isa lang hiling namin, bigyan nyo na kami ng apo. Sabi ni Ninong Saji, kambal agad. Huwag mo daw tulugan. Gaya na sabi ni Mami Del, huwag niyong tutulugan pag magkagalit kayo, kailangan magkasundo kayo bago matulog. Ha? Huwag maglihiman. Ha? Sige na.
Mother. Kala mo, alas si Mother, sabi niya, sige na. Mother, picture po, picture. Palakpakan po natin the mother of the bride. Mami Yolanda, maraming salamat po. Moving on with another wheel racers coming from the beautiful sister of the groom. We have here Miss Bea Lynn Domingo. Sister of the bride pala, sorry. Sister of the Bea Lynn Domingo.
Very beautiful sister. Wala po talaga akong ginawang message kasi baka umiyak lang ako. So, congrats and basta yun, alam niya na po nila yun. That's all. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Ay, tapos na yan. Ay, wait lang, may picture pa tayo, Bea. Nagkamadali ka ba? Nagkamadali siya. Nag-ano siya. Siya kasi kayo busy, tanong sa akin, busy siya kanina. Sabi niya, saan mag-i-start? Sabi niya gano'n. Ikaw mamaya-maya. Wala na, tapos na eh.
Yung bogo ko baka makalimutan niya.
Anong bogo? Sapatos yun. Ang taray, may pa-advise na kaagad. And now, ladies and gentlemen, coming from the beautiful sister of the groom. Tama na to. Sister of the groom, we have Olivia Jane and Venko.
Nag-prepare ako kasi nahiya ako sa kanila. Kaso baka maiyak din ako. Pero, sige, sayang naman. Sana, meron pa po kayong patience na pakinggan to. Sige. Good afternoon, sabi ko ka dito. Pero good evening na pala, everyone. Ante, Ate May, boss, kuya. Congratulations. Finally, dito na tayo after 16 years. You are together for more than half of your lives. Grabe. Can you imagine, guys? Siyempre, hindi nyo ma-imagine. Pero, siyempre kami, nandun kami, nakita namin kung ano yung napagdaanan yung dalawa. So, ano pong mahihiling namin, kundi good life ahead of you. Hindi, wish nyo, pamangkin na. Ako naman, syempre, for the both of them. Ayan. Tapos, Ante, so I'll take this time to appreciate and thank you, Ante. You're such a blessing in our family. And, Kuya, of course, thank you. Parang yung unang nagpaalam nga siya, sobrang tagal na nun. Kaso, sobrang dami lang din nangyari.
years passed. Tapos parang akala na ni Ate May pala, sorry, ni Ate May na parang, wala, papakasalan ba ako ni Windel, gano'n. Tapos wala ka syempre alam ko, Ante, kung alam mo lang, hold on, gano'n. Pero ayun, with that, nalaman ko, natutunan ko sa kanilang dalawa, love is truly a choice. Parang, it's full of up and downs. Pero talagang pinili nila. Legit sa kanila yung pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. So, kung may natutunan ako sa kanilang dalawa, love is a choice. Choose to love and choose to be happy. Ayun, congrats. Ayun po, good evening everyone. And of course, thank you din sa choice yun na pumunta dito. Kaya happy tayong lahat. Good evening.
Palapakan natin, Miss Olivia Jane Venco. Pawisan siya. Grabe yung pawis niya, oh. Kasi nag-brown out, diba? Namatay yung aircon. Pwede po papindot na lang ako ng mga on button. Ayan, baka po kasi wala kayong ano. Abot nyo ba? Abot nyo? Sir JM, pasuyin naman ako. Ayan, i-on lang natin kasi namatay siya. Asa may katiwala nito? Ba't wala nagpupunta rito? Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our round trip tickets. So, totoo po yung round trip tickets po natin. The first ticket is going to Mexico. Yes, that is correct. Pampanga. The other ticket is going to Palawan. Good for 2. Oo. Any point of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Palawan, Express, padala. Hindi. Totoo talaga may ticket. So, the first winner of the round trip tickets. Congratulations to garnering an average score of 95%. Nice score. Congratulations to Mr. Christian Lugtu. Christian Lugtu. Sir Christian, diyan ka sa kabilang side. The other winner of the round trip tickets to Bag Home Limited Edition Chandelier by the venue. Ang bigat niyan, di ba, uwi mo? Congratulations to Miss Bea Lynn Domingo. Bea Lynn. Bea. Okay. Nanalo kayo ng round trip tickets. Ayaw nyo ba? Diyan ka lang, Bea Lynn, diyan ka lang. Tala. Tala parang ano ka na, laps ka na. Sarap na. Okay. So ikaw una-una. Sa Christian, hawakan mo to. Huwag mo nang bubuksan. Wait lang. Bea, hawakan mo lang. Huwag mo nang bubuksan. Okay. Si Christian ang unang magbabasa ng kanya round trip tickets. Christian, buksan na. Read it out loud.
Congratulations, you won round trip ticket from Monumento to Baclaran and Baclaran to Monumento.
Pakita mo yung ticket mo. That's an LRT ticket. Magagamit mo ba yan?
Hindi po.
Hindi? Oh, sayang. Hindi niya magagamit. Ang bib card pa naman natin, 500 yan. Yung laman. Ikaw naman ngayon, Bea. Oh, bubuksan mo siya.
Congratulations, you won round trip ticket from Taft Avenue to North Avenue and North Avenue to Taft Avenue.
Vice versa. Walang babaan yan. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, makita mo yung ticket mo. That's an MRT ticket. Magagamit mo ba itong MRT ticket na to? Hindi ka nagko-commute. Parehas tayo. Oh, pero alam nyo ba, hindi talaga tayong ticket para sa inyong dalawa. May totoong ticket talaga. Joke lang to. Pag sabi kong 3, 2, 1, congratulations, sabay niyang bubuksan yan sa harap ng tao. Okay? Sabay niyang bubuksan. Hindi sa harap nyo ha, sa harap nila. Ready? Christian, Bea, in 3, 2, 1, buksan na. Congratulations! You're our next bride and next groom! Yes! Sabi, I don't know! Hindi! Are you a real life boyfriend and girlfriend?
Hindi.
Oh, sorry. Susera ka, Bea. Hindi nga totoo. Ilang taon na kayo?
5 years.
5 years. Ano yung unang regalong binigay sa'yo ni Christian? Maalala mo?
Hindi ko maalala.
Bukod sa sarili niya, ha? Ano ba? Buti pa yung nanay nakakaalala, stop toy na malaki yung binigay. College pa sila. Ikaw Christian, ano nang tatandaan mong binigay ni Bea sa'yo?
Binigay sa akin.
Regalo, unang regalo, ganon. Si mother, natandaan niya stuffed toy. Ay, iba din. Relo daw yung binigay. Ito ba? Patingin ng relo. Oh my God, fossil. Iba. Palakpakan natin our next by the next term. Congratulations. Now, picture muna kayo. Picture together with the banner. Okay, ready? Ayan. Kanina po namigay kami ng scratch card. So, yung scratch, hindi pa ba kayong palamba? Mamimigay muna si Bea ng scratch cards. Pero maglabas na kayo ng inyong mga maglabas na kayo ng inyong mga coins. Kasi dalawa po sa inyo ang mananalo ngayong gabi ng ating pa-surprise gifts. Ayan, Bea, nasa iyo yung premyo niyan. Okay, wait lang sa mechanics kung paano gagawin. Huwag niyo po muna i-scratch pag binigay sa inyo, sabay-sabay po tayo. Mamaya! Mamaya! Meron na ba? Lahat ba? Pag meron ng scratch card, itaas ang kamay po. Sige po, ilagay yung scratch card, iwawagayway natin. Ayan, meron tayong scratch card. Papansin niyo po, dalawa yung i-scratch natin dyan. Okay? So kapag maliwanag ang mukha ng ating dalawang narito ngayon si Syla at si Windel or andun yung mukha nila mismo sa scratch ninyo, automatic kayo po ang panalo. Ang daming sobra. Paano kaya? Baka nandyan yung iba. Tagdadalawa kaya? Hindi. Dalawa-dalawa pwede na. Bigyan mo ng iba yung kaya magdalawa. Sinong gusto magdalawa? Ayun, tanongin mo. Sinong gusto magdalawa? Mamaya po kayo mag-i-scratch sabay-sabay tayo. Dito sa dulo, gusto din daw nila. Magdala-dalawa. Kayo rin? Mamaya pa mag-i-scratch. Dito kaya kayo sa loob. Sa'yo, baka wala ka na. Wala ka? Wala sila. Okay na, meron na lahat. Okay. So ready? Itaas muna ang scratch card po. Tapos mag-ingay tayo ng konti. Ingay! Anong pamapanalunan dito sa scratch card? Hindi nga yun. Ano nga? House and lot? Social? Ano? Condominium unit? Social naman ang premyo. Hindi nga totoo. Yung totoong premyo. Magkano yung cash na mga panalunan? Ay, wait na po! Nag-i-scratch siya agad. Ay! So, dalawa yung mananalo. Silipin ko, Pwedeng pang tollgate na to, tsaka pang Jollibee. So, ready? Get set! Scratch it! Okay na. Go na, mother. Go na. Pwede na mag-scratch. Kailangan makita niyo yung mukha mismo ni Windel. Tag-isa sila niyan. Isa lang yung outstanding na mukha, So, dalawa lang yung mananalo. Aray ko. Kailangan malinaw. Ano? Totoo? Hindi. Hindi daw ito, mother. Si Malupiton yan eh. Si Malupiton. Eto, tama. Ay! May isa na! May isa na. Tama siya. Tita, halika tita. Iba-validate natin kung tama. Yung isa ka, si Malupiton to nakalagay. Akala ko ikaw talaga. Nakita ko nakadila eh. Nakaganon. Valid. Pwede ba daw ganyan? Hindi. So kay tita, ayan, ganyan. Parehas yung mukha. So dalawa lang yan. Congratulations po, tita, para po sa inyo. Ma'am Florisa. And what's your name? Sid, maraming salamat sa iyo, Sid. Congratulations. Ano daw, ano? Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, asin kay Malupiton. Ang kulit may Malupiton, no? Sino daw yung nakakuha nung kay Mami Oni? Mami Oni. Ay, ando sa kanya. Akin na, be. May consolation ba yan? Pag may Mami Oni? Wala pala, be. Sorry. Akala ko meron. Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, so officially, thanks each and everyone this night. Palakpakan po natin the newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Windel and Zyla Venko.
Good evening, everyone. Ayun, first of all, I would like to thank, una si God. Kasi, yun, binigay niya na sa amin to. This past few days, ang dalas ng ulan eh. So, nangangamba talaga kami pag umulan. Talagang mahirapan tayo lalo dito. Pero, thankfully talaga, binigay ni Lord. And para sa amin talaga to. And, ayun, in behalf of Family Benko and Domingo. Yun, nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng dumalo from Nueva Ecija, from Manila, different parts of Manila. Yun, sobrang thankful kami na sinelebrate ninyo yung pag-iisang dibdib namin ni Zay. So, no words at all lang ang kapalit nun. So, thank you very much. Yan, papasa ko na kay Zay yung baka maiyak pa ako eh.
Ayun po, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sa Venko at saka sa Domingo family. Thank you so much po. Sa mga ninong and ninang po namin, Judge Clyde, thank you so much po. Judge Lucy, Boss Leo, kay Sir Jing, kay Mamita, thank you so much po. Siyempre sa mga magulang po namin, kay Mama, kay Papa kahit wala siya dito. Kay Mama Del, tsaka kay Papa Win. Ayan, hello pa. Papa Erwin. Erwin. Opo. Sa mga friends ni Windel, si Alexis, tsaka si Only, happy birthday. Sa mga taga-RTC 176 dyan, maraming salamat. Thank you, Sir Gino. Hindi mali yung spelling ng pangalan namin. Tapos, thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Tsaka special thanks din kay Ante, tsaka kay Madam. And kila Sir Paul, kay Sir Sherwin, kay Miss April. Thank you. Sa lahat po ng suppliers namin. Kay Sir Chester, thank you po. Thank you so much po.